Hello, welcome to More Sound. This is Gare Moore, and today we are taking a look at the Windsor model number 2491 projection alarm clock radio. You can see that is the radio dial here and the clock display, the silence button. Then we have some buttons for adjusting the time and the alarm clock up here. Then we're gonna switch it on so you can see what the radio sounds like. Volume is over here. We cannot play. I got my homemade radio station playing YouTube audio library. Now we're going to show the alarm clock feature. It should be going off any moment now. Here's what the buzzer sounds like if you want to hear it. You can't really see the projection too well. I don't know if all this is going to show up on the video, but there's the projection feature. It's not very bright compared to the Hello Kitty one over there. There ain't much else to show on this device. That's the end of our product review for the Windsor projection alarm clock radio, model number 2491. Thank you for watching. You can find links to this product and others in the video description. Goodbye for now.